Hello! In this video I want to show you how we can trigger our keyboard shortcuts using Xkeys panel. And normally our shortcuts Ctrl plus right arrow will take you to the next presentation in the folder. So instead of manually opening and closing presentations, Auto Presentation Switcher automates these tasks for you. But you don't need to push the actual shortcut on the keyboard if you have this panel. Then instead you can program this button right here to do the same action. So when I push this now, it will be the same as pushing Ctrl plus right arrow. And I can go back again because I already programmed this button here to be the Ctrl plus left arrow. So this is a really convenient way of simplifying our shortcuts. And another good thing about these keyboard extenders is that they are programmed within the program memory. So if you plug this out and you bring this to another computer, it will work without any software setup.